Minute English. I'm Shiny Day. Let's start today's news.
Today is Friday. We are going to present an exclusive interview with the woman social worker. Some new facts about the Rajdhani Express and illegal business of intoxication in Asansol. And the poem in English. I again request you all to share your extraordinary feelings around you. Our WhatsApp numbers are 7501064378 and 8617659448.
सफलता की शुरुआत सिर्फ मोशन के साथ। मोशन ओपन स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट फॉर क्लास 7th to 12th स्टूडेंट। गेट अप टू 50% स्कॉलरशिप फॉर सेशन 2021 to 22 at Durgapur. And for more details, please contact 94348222.
Let us introduce you a woman social worker, Sakshiyat in Asansol.
She has an ambition to do something good for the people, for the downtrodden, for the women, and for the girl student. Now, let us have a look what she claimed.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जितने आवाम हैं और नमस्कार सभी को। मैं समा नाज बोल रही हूँ। तृणमूल कांग्रेस की महिला की वार्ड नंबर 83 की प्रेसिडेंट हूँ।
She likes to do social work from the very beginning of her life, being inspired from her father Janab S.M. Hasmi, who is himself a member of Indian Olympic Association and associated with several
2009 से लेके 2018 तक मैं झारखंड ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन की केकिंग कोइन की वाइस प्रेसिडेंट भी रही और उसके बाद मैंने यहाँ आज आप लोग के भी बीच हूँ जो बनपुर रहमत नगर 83 वार्ड नंबर की तृणमूल कांग्रेस की महिला की प्रेसिडेंट भी बनी हूँ। और बाकी मुझे सोशल वर्क करना बहुत पसंद है, लोगों के बीच रहना बहुत पसंद है।
तो आपने समाज के लिए क्या क्या किया है?
समाज के लिए अभी जैसे लॉकडाउन में थी 2020 में मैंने कलकत्ता में राजारहाट में जितना मुझसे हो सका मैंने लोगों के बीच गई। मैंने राशन वगैरह बांटी खुद से। उस टाइम तो लॉकडाउन में आपको पता होगी कि होटल वगैरह सब बंद थी, राशन दुकान भी टाइमली नहीं थी। तो मैंने उस बीच में खुद से मैंने घर पे खुद से बनाकर लोगों के बीच खाना मैंने रोड जाकर सभी जितने भी यात्री लोग थे जो लॉकडाउन में फंसे हुए थे, जो अपने घर जा रहे थे, जिन्हों खाने की प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी, रास्ते में कुछ नहीं मिला, ना पानी ना खाने का व्यवस्था कुछ नहीं, होटल वगैरह सब बंद। तो मैंने उस दौर पे जा के मैं उस रास्ते में सबको दी। मुझे ऐसा लगा ये होना चाहिए कि लोगों को बंद है, वो लोग कहाँ से खाएंगे। तो मैंने घर में खुद से ही बना कर और हमारी टीम लड़के लोग भी थे, सब लोग हम लोग जाके खाना डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए।
तो आप अपने वार्ड में एज अ महिला प्रेसिडेंट, महिला समिति की जो प्रेसिडेंट है आप, तो अपने वार्ड में तरक्की के लिए आप क्या करना चाहती हैं?
अगर ऊपर वाला ने आवाम ने हमारा साथ दिया, अगर उस लायक हो गई तो मैं ज़रूर करूँगी। यही चाहूँगी हमारी महिला आगे बढ़े। हमारे महिला मेरी बच्चियाँ लोग हैं जो छोटी छोटी वो स्पोर्ट्स में भी आएँ और वो पढ़ाई से लेके हर चीज़ से जुड़ें और वो आगे बढ़ें।
She worked hard during the lockdown when most of poor people had nothing to eat. She served food after cooking herself in her home in Kolkata. Clarion soul of her heart could be understood. All these things has not happened in a day. Her father was behind her. She was boldly accept this.
तो आपने अपने फादर के साथ रहकर क्या क्या किया, क्या क्या सीखा और आपको क्या हासिल हुआ?
मैं अपने फादर के साथ रहकर ये सीखी कि लोगों के बीच आना, लोगों की मदद करना सोशल वर्क में। और मुझे पद हासिल हुई 2009 से लेके 2014 में ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन की झारखंड की प्रेसिडेंट रही।
Our reporter take an interview with her. Let's see what she answered our question. From where she started social work, she replied,
तो आपने सोशल वर्क जो है कहाँ से शुरू किया और आप किससे इंस्पायर होके मतलब ये काम करना चाहती हैं?
मैं स्टार्ट की हुआ झारखंड धनबाद से। मेरे फादर सैयद मतलूब हाशमी ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन के ऑल इंडिया के मेंबर हैं वो। मैं उन्हीं के सहयोग से ही ये सब आगे बढ़ी मैं, और मुझे उनको देख के बहुत इंटरेस्ट जागा कि मैं सोशल वर्क भी, मेरे फादर बहुत अच्छा करते हैं तो मैं उनके साथ साथ रह के ये सब सीखी मैं। और वो राजनीतिक से भी हैं, ओलंपिक से भी हैं, तो ये सब देख के मुझे बहुत अच्छा महसूस हुआ कि ये सब हम लोग को सोशल वर्क करना चाहिए, हमारी महिला को आगे बढ़ना चाहिए। इसी से मुझे झारखंड के ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन से मुझे
from whom she was inspired. She does not lose a second to reply.
ज़िंदगी में अपने फादर से, मेरे फादर सैयद मतलूब हाशमी हैं, वो ऑल इंडिया ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन के मेंबर हैं वो। और मैं हमेशा उनके साथ साथ ज़्यादातर वक्त गुजारी हूँ। उन्हीं को देख के सोशल वर्क हुआ, राजनीति को, उन्हीं को देख के मुझे दिल में भी हौसला अफजाई हुई। और देखते हुए मैं आज तक उन्हीं कदम पे, उन्हीं के हिस्से में आगे बढ़ रही हूँ। जैसे क्या सोशल वर्क कर रही हूँ, लोगों को देखना, हमारे समाज में क्या है, हमारे वार्ड में क्या है, हमारे इसी तरह देख देख के हर चीज़ को, अपने फादर ही को इस पे मैं चल रही हूँ।
Who has supported her for social work? It sure be her husband who does not obstruct her.
बाद में तो आपको आपके पापा ने सपोर्ट किया था, यहाँ पे आपको किसने सपोर्ट किया?
धन्यवाद में मेरे पापा ने सपोर्ट किया ही, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताई। और मैंने बताई नहीं कि मेरे फादर नेम सैयद मतलूब हाशमी हैं, ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन के ऑल इंडिया कमेटी के मेंबर भी हैं वो। और रहा बात यहाँ की सपोर्ट की, तो यहाँ मेरे शौहर सैयद इकबाल हुसैन ने किया, जो आज उनके वजह से आज मैं यहाँ इतना ओपन काम कर रही हूँ। और उनका बहुत सहयोग रहा, और यहाँ के आवाम का भी बहुत सहयोग रहा, जो यहाँ बहू ने बेटियाँ की तरह मुझे समझा गया और उनको मुझे प्यार से रखे। इसलिए मेरे दिल में ख्वाहिश जागी। और इन लोग का, सारे लोग का शुक्रिया, अपने पापा का भी शुक्रिया करती हूँ और अपने शौहर का भी शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ। हमारे जितने आवाम है हमारे मोहल्ले के, उनकी भी शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि आज मुकाम पे मैं इनके
She wants to work for women. There are a lot of miseries in the society. She wants to remove the hurdles for the development of.
और जितनी हमारी महिला है, तो महिला कमेटी में है, जो हमारे बीच महिला हैं, जो हमारे सपोर्ट करती हैं और हमारे पास में आती हैं। मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग की दुआ से मैं और आगे बढ़ूँ और उसके ज़रिए से मैं आप लोग तक और आगे कुछ मदद कर सकूँ और महिला के लिए आगे कुछ कर सकूँ।
Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Lychee flavor. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll free number 1800-258-7060.
Some facts about the new features of Rajasthan Express.
Starting next year, the Rajdhani Express, Sialda Rajdhani and Howrah Rajdhani will be revamped. Passengers of Rajdhani will now get facilities like Tejas. The coaches of both this important train of the state are being upgraded to state-of-the-art coaches. The makeover of this two very important train is undoubtedly good news for the commuters. Trains from two important railway stations of Bengal to Rajdhani will look like Tejas Express with Tejas smart coaches. A railway official said that the railways in changing coaches of Rajdhani Express with the trains leaving Howrah and Sialda earlier next year. The look of this train is completely changing. As per the decision of the Indian Railways, all coaches of Rajdhani Express will be Tejas smart coaches. First of all, the Sialda Rajdhani bogies will be replaced. Then it will have an effect of Howrah Rajdhani Express. State-of-the-art coaches have already been introduced for Delhi, Mumbai, Agartala, Anand Bihar Rajdhani Express. This time, the name of Bangla in also been added in that list. What were the advantage of this new coaches? According to railway sources, the CCTV cameras will be installed inside every coach of Rajdhani Express. Each coach will have 6 closed circuit cameras. This will make it much easier to monitor the inside of the train. The railway officials are also hopeful that the frequent complaints regarding safety in long-distance trains will be reduced. In other words, the safety of the passengers during the journey will be further enhanced. There will be a digital display board inside the coach where passengers can directly see the name of the next station, how long will the train take to reach the station, how long is the train running, all such information. From now on, the Rajdhani Express will have automatic plung door in Rajdhani Express. It will be completely controlled by the assistant driver, when to open the door, when to close the door, while be completely controlled by the assistant driver. As a result, no one will be able to board the train or get off the train whenever they want. There will also be a fire detection system. This state-of-the-art system will be used throughout this train. According to railway officials, this will give a lot of relief from the possibility of a sudden fire in the train. The new Rajdhani Express will have an emergency tag-back system. If at any time a passenger is in danger or a medical emergency arises, the driver or guard may be called directly. The current status of the coach can be highlighted through the emergency talkback system. Not only this, keeping in mind the many problems of the passengers, the bed light will also be installed next to each seat. At the same time, there will be separate mobile charger points for each passengers in the new Rajdhani. This means that from the next year, anyone who wants to travel from Sialda or Howrah to Delhi will be able to travel in a coach with all the latest facilities.
Let us deal with some untold truth of illegal business of intoxication in Asansol.
On the last Tuesday, police has arrested 4 persons related with illegal business of intoxication in Asansol. The media published it and congratulated police for this. But do you Babujan and Babujan, a name related with this illegal business of intoxication in Asansol. In the last several years, this name of Babujan was echoed in several places of Asansol. It is not surprising the younger generation was familiar with this name. Some of them are addicted. Some are in the process of addiction of ganja, heroin and other substances of intoxication in Asansol. The police has claimed that it's trying to verify involvements of other persons. But It is said that the rich students has access to these substances. They used it to maintain the balance of the load of study and failure of love in their short span of life, and so on. Will the police be able to act independently? Now to listen the sale of this illegal intoxication substances in Asansol. Police is efficient enough to know the real facts of illegal business of intoxication in Asansol. Really, police should be congratulated for their courage to arrest Babujan. Really, it's a matter of pride for guardians who spend money for good education of their children. Really, it's a matter of pride for girls who has to suffer the addiction habit of their families and of their friends. Who wants to love them from their core of their heart, who wants to share this joy and suffering in life equally for the development of the society, the state, and in the long run of the country. Really, it's a very matter of pride for the person who thinks addiction of intoxication substances the impediment in development. Let us know the facts which was published in the paper. The police of Asansol North Police Station raided the house of Babujan, a resident of Babua Talao area of Railpal. From there, police arrested Babujan along with his two daughters-in-law and daughter. Babujan's son-in-law, son and a daughter managed to escape by evading the police. Police then searched the Babujan's house. According to the police sources, about 20 grams of heroin was recovered from his house during the search. Incidentally, the police have taken an active role in stopping the drug trade since the arrival of Ajay Thakur as the Asansol Durgapur Police Commissioner. Police have arrested several drug dealers from different police stations in Asansol and Durgapur. Police have arrested the drug dealers including cannabis, opium and heroin before the incident. Police had information that Babujans, a resident of Babua Talao area on Railpal line, and his family members had been secretly selling heroin for a long time. The police had been looking for him for a long time. Eventually, the police set a trap and reached Babujans and his family members. The police operation spread unrest in the area. The area where Babujan's house is located has narrow roads. Taking advantage of this, the rest of his family was able to escape. However, 4 members of his family, including Babujan, were arrested with heroin. By questioning them, the police are trying to find out where the heroin was supplied and how many people were involved in this ring. I take it you already know of turf and bow and cuff and dough. Others may stumble, but not you. On hiko, thorough, slow, and throw. Well done. And now you wish, perhaps, to learn of less familiar traps. Beware of hurt, a dreadful word that looks like bread and sounds like bird. And date, it's said like bed, not breed. For goodness sake, don't call it deed. Watch out for meat and greed and treat. A month is not a month is mother, nor both in brother, broth in brother. And here is not a match for there, and dear and fear for beer and peer. And then there's dose and rose and lows. And cord can work and curd and word. and front and front, and word and squat, and to and go, then trot and cut. Come, come, I have hardly made a start. A dreadful language. Why, man alive? I had learned to talk it when I was 5, and yet to write it, the more I tried, I had not learned it at 55. Don't ponder about too long. No, the ellipsis man. Today's SMS of the moment. When you love what you have everything you need. To all the viewers, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.